In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Bitwarden account like a pro using a Yubikey. If you're keen on elevating your digital security, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into it and get your Bitwarden account fortified. First things first, you'll want to head over to the official Bitwarden website. This trusted platform is celebrated as the best password manager for business, enterprise, and personal use alike. Once there, look for the Login button. Usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click it to begin accessing your vault. Once you're logged in with your credentials, you'll find yourself in the Bitwarden Vault section. It's where all your sensitive information is stored securely. From here, what you need to do next is locate the Settings menu. It's your gateway to configuring and customizing how Bitwarden works for you. Don't rush through it. Understanding these settings is key to enhancing your account's security. Now within the settings, your next stop will be the Security section. Remember, this is where you decide the extent of security and how multi-layered you want it to be. After selecting Security, look for the option that says Two-Step Login. In today's digital landscape, employing such extra measures can be the difference between being secured and falling prey to cyber threats. Navigating through the two-step login page, you'll see various options, but the one we're interested in today is the Yubikey OTP security key. This feature is particularly exclusive and requires a premium subscription. A Yubikey is a fantastic tool for enhancing security, providing an additional layer that's quite robust against unauthorized attempts. If you haven't invested in one yet, now's a good time to consider it. Implementing Yubikey involves connecting it to your account, which usually is as straightforward as following the on-screen prompts. If you run into any hiccups, ensure your Yubikey is properly plugged in and, of course, that it's working correctly. Familiarize yourself with how it operates because this physical key will now be an essential part of your login process. Once you've successfully set up the Yubikey, you'll now be required to use it whenever you log into your Bitwarden account. This small step drastically improves your security posture, because even if someone acquires your password, they won't be able to access your account without physically possessing the Yubikey. And that's it. You've now secured your Bitwarden account with the power of modern multi-factor authentication, setting a maintained standard for your digital safety. Thanks for following along, and remember that vigilance is your best defense in the digital realm. Stay safe and take charge of your security today.